Namaskara. Welcome to Sahaj Yoga Foundation. So today I will be discussing about Surya Namaskara and Guru Namaskara. So Surya Namaskara is the most practiced yogasana. So all over the world. So today I will be telling the basic instructions when you have to do the breathe in and when you have to do the breathe out by performing couple of times, and also I will be telling about the mantras that I will be telling. Mantra in the sense, for every Surya Namaskara we will be saying the mantras. So try to know its meaning, and if at all it's possible you perform with the mantras. Otherwise the basic instruction is you must be doing the breathe in breathe out properly as per each of the Surya Namaskara. There are two types of Surya Namaskara, but I will be only doing the first type of Surya Namaskara for the demonstration. So please observe it, and if at all any doubts are there, please post it on your comments. Accordingly, I will tailor-made another video and I will send it to you. So first is the basic instructions with the proper mantras. Tadasana. This is Tadasana, Namaskarasana, Urdhvasana, Hastapadasana, Ekapada Prasanasana, Vipada Prasanasana, Bhudarasana, Sastanga Pranipatasana, Bhujangasana, Bhudarasana, Ekapada Prasanasana, Hastapadasana, Namaskarasana, Urdhvasana, Hastapadasana, Ekapada Prasanasana, Vipada Prasanasana, Bhudarasana, Sastanga Pranipatasana, Bhujangasana, Bhudarasana, Ekapada Prasanasana, Hastapadasana, Namaskarasana, Samastiti. So these are the basic mantras that I will be doing, and I will be telling when you have to do the breathe in and when you have to do the breathe out. Tadasana, normal breathing. Namaskarasana, breathe out. Urdhvasana, breathe in. Hastapadasana, breathe out. Ekapada Prasanasana, breathe in. Vipada Prasanasana, hold the breathing. Bhudarasana, breathe out. Sastanga Pranipatasana, here only breathe in and breathe out. Bhujangasana, breathe in. Bhudarasana, breathe out. Right leg forward. Ekapada Prasanasana, breathe in. Hastapadasana, breathe out. Namaskarasana, Samastiti. Once again, Urdhvasana, Hastapadasana, Ekapada Prasanasana, breathe in. Vipada Prasanasana, hold the breathing. Bhudarasana, breathe out. Sastanga Pranipatasana, breathe in, breathe out. Bhujangasana, breathe in. Bhudarasana, breathe out. Ekapada Prasanasana, breathe in. Hastapadasana, breathe out. Namaskarasana, normal state. Samastiti. So you would have observed whenever the hands go back, you do the breathe in. Whenever you take your hands forward, when you are bending, obviously you have to release all your air, then only can bend properly. So you have to breathe out that portion. And there are only Sashtanga Pranipadasana you will be doing. Breathe in, breathe out. Observe that, like, because that's how breathe in, breathe out sequence has to be coordinated in all these 30 forms of Surya Namaskaras. So do it carefully. Initially you may not follow it, because if you observe few times, definitely Surya Namaskara can be done very easily. And Surya Namaskara is called as king of exercise. That's why many people, if you master this, then you can do. So we generally in the class we do 12 Surya Namaskara, and there are one more set of exercises called as Guru Namaskara, which is really tough. There's a lot more theory behind that, but I will not tell any of those things. You will get bored. So please perform this Surya Namaskara, and going forward we will do 36 Surya Namaskaras, 54 Surya Namaskara if need be, and we will do 108 Surya Namaskara in some other time, and once we will do 216 Surya Namaskara. So we will perform that, and you check your stamina, strength, whatever, how much you can do it. And once you do that, you will get that so much of confidence going forward. Many people will do only Surya Namaskaras and be done with it. That's good, because that's called as king of exercise. It's true. Body also bends forward and backward, and neck muscles. You can observe that even including the eyes. When you're looking at the top, and eyeball is held by 6 muscles. Each of the eyeball is held by 6 muscles. So even that muscles also get exercise. So observe the beauty of this exercise, try to understand it, and I'll perform once again and see that if it's possible. And also you should be observing how I'm stretching my legs. There are a lot subtle things are there. And also when I'm doing it for the first time, for all the odd numbers I will be taking left leg first, and for all the even legs I will be taking the right leg backward. And when I stretch my left leg in the Ekapada Prasanadasana, the next leg I will bring is the right leg. And whenever take my left leg backward, the left leg will be coming forward. So observe that, and you should be done with observation, and you will get it over a period of time. I'll perform once again. Observe it, please observe it. Tadasana, Namaskarasana, Urdhvasana, Hastapadasana, Ekapada Prasanasana, Vipada Prasanasana, Bhudarasana, Sashtanga Pranipadasana, Bhujangasana, Bhudarasana. Now I am bringing the right leg. Ekapada Prasanasana, Hastapadasana, Namaskarasana. Once again, Urdhvasana, Hastapadasana. Now I am taking the right leg back side. Ekapada Prasanasana, Vipada Prasanasana, Bhudarasana, Sashtanga Pranipadasana, Bhujangasana, Bhudarasana. Bring your left leg forward. Ekapada Prasanasana, Hastapadasana, Namaskarasana. Once again, Urdhvasana, Hastapadasana, Ekapada Prasanasana. I am leaving the toes freely there. Vipada Prasanasana, standing on your toes. Bhudarasana, trying to touch your heels to the ground. Sashtanga Pranipadasana, Bhujangasana, Bhudarasana, trying to touch your heels. Ekapada Prasanasana, Hastapadasana, Namaskarasana. Once again, Urdhvasana, Hastapadasana, Ekapada Prasanasana, Vipada Prasanasana, Bhudarasana, Sashtanga Pranipadasana, Bhujangasana, Bhudarasana, Ekapada Prasanasana, Hastapadasana, Namaskarasana, Samastiti. So it is required generally minimum you try to do 6 Surya Namaskaras, because left leg, right leg, since you are taking it back side, so it should be done in pair, then only it completes. So muscles expansion or the pelvic floor muscles expansion, body stretching forward and backward, all has to happen evenly. So please take care. After doing the Surya Namaskara, we do second type of Namaskara called as Guru Namaskara, which is a slightly tougher position. So what we did during the Surya Namaskara, we are standing front of the mat, just 1 inch you are leaving the gap. You are putting a towel or a cloth such that the dust particle should not get into your lungs or particle should not get into your eyes. So you should protect, you should take all those precautionary measures before doing the Surya Namaskaras. Second thing, as I told you, in the morning you should drink a glass of water and you can perform this exercise. So that facilitates you. But you should never consume any food before while doing the Surya Namaskara. At least 3 to 4 hours gap has to be there. You should not be taking any food. So body should be, you should perform all the exercise, all the yogasanas in an empty stomach. What if you are doing in the evening? If you are doing in the evening, 3 to 4 hours, you should have, before you should have had your little food. And again the body should be as little as, the body should have taken very little food. So try to follow the instruction as much as possible. Now we'll do the Guru Namaskara. So I said Surya Namaskara we started from the front of the mat, but Guru Namaskara you start from the back of your mat. So stand there with a leg in V shape. Come to Namaskara Sthiti. Once breathe out. Breathe out is always called as a Rechaka. Breathe in Puraka. Straight away starting Guru Namaskara. Hanuman Dvajasana. You should come forward, thigh parallel to the ground, and the chest should be expanded forward in both the hands. Breathe in. Here in this position you should breathe in. Hanuman Dvajasana. Hanuman Dvaja Vandanasana. Ekapada Prasanasana. Try to close these thighs. Bhudarasana. Both the hands, both the legs stretching upward, and try to touch your head to the ground. Danda Bhujangasana. Akunchita Bhudarasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ekapada Prasanasana. Make it like an arc and stretch your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hanuman Dvaja Vandanasana. Samastiti. Once again, now left leg. Hanuman Dvajasana. Hanuman Dvaja Vandanasana. Ekapada Prasanasana. Bhudarasana. Danda Bhujangasana. Akunchita Bhudarasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ekapada Prasanasana. Hanuman Dvaja Vandanasana. Samastiti. We'll do 2 more rounds. Hanuman Dvajasana. We are taking the right leg only, but there is no left leg bringing back. So you should see the difference between Surya Namaskara and Guru Namaskara. Hanuman Dvaja Vandanasana. Ekapada Prasanasana. Look at how much of pelvic floor muscles is getting stretched. Bhujangasana. Danta Bhujangasana. Akunchita Bhujangasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ekapada Prasanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hanuman Bhujavandanasana. Samasthiti. Last round. Hanuman Bhujasana. Hanuman Bhujavandanasana. Ekapada Prasanasana. Bhujangasana. Danta Bhujangasana. When performing the Danta Bhujangasana, you should almost touch your nose and come up. Akunchita Bhujangasana. Ekapada Prasanasana. Stretch your hands as much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hanuman Bhujavandanasana. Samasthiti. Normal breathing. So generally we do closing prayers before and after Surya Namaskara and before and after Guru Namaskara. Of course, at this time I am trying to make it as simple as possible because too many practices might confuse you initially. So just try to do 4 Guru Namaskara and 12 Surya Namaskara daily. So if you are able to do that, you should be able to maintain a very good health. Guru Namaskara is really challenging. You will not get it easily. That's why many of the places they don't even do that. But this is what it comes in Patanjali Yoga. So original form of the yoga. Patanjali Maharishi is the one who has found out all these yoga practices. So we purely follow that for the past maybe 35-40 years. So please subscribe to the channel. If you like it, press the thumbs up button and share it with all your friends, because especially in this coronavirus spreading spree, nobody can go outside, nobody can get taught by the teacher, and you have to take the inspiration. All these yogasanas will be done at this small place. So observe other videos, subscribe without fail, and we will close this session for the time being. Tomorrow we will be covering about dynamics, how we will be doing the dynamics rigorously such that the strength, stamina can also be increased in yogasanas. So if you increase strength, stamina and flexibility, all the metabolic diseases like blood pressure, diabetes, kidney related problems, thyroid problems especially will get cured. Definitely will get cured, but you have to increase the exercise to such an extent the hormones keeps growing. To that extent you have to do. So once again, thank you all. Thank you.